When you're driving in foggy conditions, it's important to know how to drive safely. Now, before entering fog, check your mirrors. Slow down to maintain a safe distance from the vehicles in front, and use your brake lights to warn the drivers behind, just in case they're too close. Now, if visibility degrades, consider using your headlights. Alternatively, use the fog lights if you can't see more than 100 meters. However, they should be switched off when visibility improves, because you can run the risk of disorientating other road users, as well as conceal your brake lights. Familiarise yourself with the switch location before you start your journey. Consider rolling down the window and listen out for oncoming traffic, especially at crossroads and junctions. If your visibility becomes too limited, consider stopping somewhere safe until conditions improve. For more driving lesson tips, download my training guide from the link on screen and the one below. Good luck. Thank you.